Hi everybody, this is Doug Buenz with the 680 Homes Group at Venture Sotheby's International Realty and 680homes.com. This is the February Market Minute for Pleasanton, California. So, first a quick overview. The market seems healthy, but a little slower pace. Inventory's up slightly, pending sales are up. There are signs of life in the market. We all know the fall was pretty slow in Pleasanton, but things seem to be off to a pretty good start this year. It's just the pace of the market's a little different. We're not seeing multiple offers on every house. We're not seeing homes selling in 3 hours. So a little more relaxed pace seems to be the theme this year. So let's take a look at some of the stats. There's 41 active listings at the end of January, and that's up from 36 at the end of December, and up from 23 a year ago. So inventory is a little higher. We're seeing a higher base to start the year, and I expect we'll see more inventory as we get through the year. Pending sales are also up, which is good news. There were 40 pending sales in January versus 26 in December, and there were 30 in January of last year, mainly due to constrained inventory. So demand seems to be fairly healthy. Sold properties, we had 32 properties close escrow in January versus 30 in December versus 22 in January of last year. So closed sales are steady. So as you can see, fairly balanced market right now. Months of inventory. So the months of inventory metric just explains the relationship between supply and demand. The higher the months of inventory, the weaker the market is. So in January, there was 1 month supply of inventory in the market. That means if no new listings came on the market, it'd take 1 month to sell the existing inventory. That is down from 1.4 months in December, so another sign of life, and up from 0.8 months inventory in January last year. So still a pretty good market in terms of metrics. The average days on market for active listings is 58. That's unchanged from December. Average days on market for sold properties is 39. That's also unchanged from December. So you can see, properties that sell are generally a little more desirable than properties that maybe are not selling. The median sales price is up $1.138 million in Pleasanton for January, up from $1.125 million in December. And January last year was $1.173. So prices are fairly flat. The average price per square foot for sold properties is up as well, $550 in January. That's up from $524 in December. And about the same as a year ago, which came in at $552 average price per square foot for sold properties. Properties on average are selling at 96% of the ask price. That's in January. That's the same as it was in December, 96% of the asking price. A year ago in January, it was 102%. So you can see, again, some of the shift in the market in terms of volatility and urgency. Percent of active listings with price reductions is down 17.6% in January versus 31.4% in December. So a sign of some life there. The percent of properties that sold over asking price is down as well. 12.5% of the closings in January sold over asking price versus 23% in December. So, and then the last metric I like to watch is the percent of sold properties under 10 days on the market. So homes that sold almost right away, 10 days on the market. That metric was down in January. It's 15.6% in January versus 26.7% in December. So again, the pace of the market is a little bit slower than it was certainly at the beginning of last year. That's it for now. Be sure to like and share this with your friends, and we invite you to comment on this video below. As always, if we can help you or anyone you know with your real estate needs, give us a call at 925-621-0680 or visit our website at 680homes.com. Thanks for watching.